Hey guys! Guess what we're doing this evening, guys? I decided to cook my own dessert. We're gonna do some fried ice cream, starting with this vanilla ice cream. This is what you need. Vanilla ice cream, Hershey syrup, and a can of whipped cream. You also need some freshly cut strawberries, and I went ahead and put some coconuts in the oven, fried them for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and let's start our ice cream. I love this ice cream. So, Haagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream. Let's dig in, guys. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3 scoops. Looks like it's melting on me. So let's do that. Then we come here and get this coconut, sprinkle all over the ice cream just like that. It goes good. This fried coconut with this ice cream goes good together, guys. Let's dump it in just like that. And then what we do, guys, we take this syrup, we come here and drizzle just like that. Oh, look at this beauty. Just like that. Then we come here and we add some beautiful strawberries all over it, just like this. Don't be shy with your strawberries. You could do raspberries if you like, bananas. I like strawberries with this ice cream. Just like this. Then, guys, shake. The whipped cream. And let's put the caps on. Hopefully it sits. Look how beautiful. And then you could do a little bit more whipped cream over the sides like this. And here's my vanilla fried ice cream. Look at this beauty. Delicious. All right, guys, let's try this vanilla fried ice cream. See how delicious. I'm gonna try it. Please go try it and let me know how you like this ice cream. I love it.